Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss third part in human geography. So already you have discussed about industries and agriculture other than that, isn't it? So today mainly we are going to discuss about population. You know what is meant by population? Yes, it's nothing but a number of people living in a defined area or in a particular area. So in GK you might have studied India is ranked in the second, isn't it, related to the population. So we are going to discuss about the characteristics of human population, that is known as demography. What's meant by demography? That is a characteristics of human population. It's called as a demography. First we are going to discuss about regions of high population. Can you note some of the districts in Tamil Nadu? Yes, Coimbatore, Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Viluppuram, Dharmapuri, Salem, Madurai and Tirunelveli. So these are some of the most populous districts in the state. Okay, next coming towards the moderate population. So Tanjavur district, it has a high population, or you can say have a population of 30 to 35 lakhs. And Vellore, Dindigul, Virudhunagar, Thoothukudi districts are also having a population of 15 to 20 lakhs. Other than agriculture, small scale industries, fishing, etc. These are some of the major occupation in these districts. Next, regions of sparse population. பரவலா காணப்படும்பாங்கல மக்கள் தொகை, அது எங்கெல்லாம் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா the coastal districts of Nagapattinam, Tiruvallur, Pudukkottai, Ramanathapuram and Sivagangai. So these are having a less population, that is 15 lakhs only. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about population density. So மக்கள் தொகை அடர்த்தி அது எந்த அளவுக்கு இருக்குது? The state ranks 12th among the Indian states in a population density. So if you see as per 2011 census, it's calculated as 382. So coming to the religion aspect, you know, number of religion, isn't it? Hinduism, Christianity, Islam are the major religion in the state. So next coming to the sex ratio. So how the sex ratio it is calculated? So it is represents the number of females per 1000 males. The highest sex ratio is found in the district at Nilgiri, and then it is followed by Tanjavur district. Then coming to the lowest sex ratio, it is in Dharmapuri. That is next it is followed by Salem district. Next, literacy rate. You know what's meant by literacy? Yes, related to education. The district of Kanyakumari has reported the highest literacy rate. So Kerala people, they are good in education and they are number one. You might have heard about it, isn't it? So the district of Kanyakumari has reported the highest literacy rate, and while Dharmapuri district has the lowest rate. Next, transport and communication. So these two are very, very important as far as economy is concerned. So both are, suppose we are saying no, coins are having two sides. So like that, transport and communications are very, very essential for our country's development. First, if you see roadways. So the state has total roads length is 167 kilometer, and like that it ranks second in India. You know what's meant by PPP abbreviation? Yes, public private partnership. And next you might have heard about NH44. So it is the longest national highway in Tamil Nadu, which runs from Hosur to Kanyakumari. Just if you see Tamil Nadu map, you are able to know where it is, isn't it? So from top to bottom, you can say the directions also from Hosur to Kanyakumari. Then coming to the railways. Tamil Nadu has a well-developed rail network as a part of Southern Railways headquarters at Chennai. And Chennai, you know, the railways, how it is developed a lot. So now about MRTS, Mass Rapid Transport System. So Chennai has well established related to suburban railway network also. Next, airways. Tamil Nadu has 4 major international airports. What are they? Can you say? Yes, one is Coimbatore, second one is Madurai, and third one is Tiruchirappalli. You can say Mumbai, Delhi also related to the largest airport. Internationally, you can say Coimbatore, Madurai and Tiruchirappalli. Next, waterways. Tamil Nadu has 3 major ports. One is Chennai, another one is Ennur and Thoothukudi. So you can see along with your book exercise. In that you can see all these places. So related to waterways. And it has 15 minor airports also, ports also. Next, coming to the communication. What's meant by communication? It's nothing but share. So you know well, now advanced technology, you know what are the major means of communication. So you can say mass and personal communication. Mass in the sense, suppose for example, presidential address, it comes under mass communication. Personal communication, you and your friends, you are sharing your views. Personal, that comes under personal. So these are the two important differences of personal and mass communication. So you can go through all the places through map. Is it clear, ma? Just you can check over it. Again we will see elaborately in the next class related to the map. Next, coming to the trade. So trade, if you are taking now like two important components. What are they? One is export, another one is import. Suppose if you are having more in number, we have to export to other countries. Import in the sense if we have scarcity, we are getting from other countries. So in a lower classes you might have studied about imports, exports, etc. So now we are going to see the difference between the values of export and import. That is balance of trade. Suppose for example, export is 50% and import is 50%. That is considered as balance of trade. Is it clear, ma? Next, imports of Tamil Nadu. You might have heard about some of the things like machineries, transport equipment, machine tools, non-electrical machinery and electrical machinery, and then pharmaceutical products, petroleum, fertilizers, newsprint, all are comes under imports. So in Tamil Nadu, we used to import a lot of things. In a tabular column, it's given in your book elaborately. Agriculture products, for example, tobacco, cereals, like that. Then exports, major exports of Tamil Nadu. Then leather products, you can say wallets, purses, pouches, handbags, etc. Then gems and jewelry, pearls, precious stones, gold jewelry, decorations, etc. Then chemicals and related products, paper, chemicals, rubber and glass. So these are major exports of Tamil Nadu. Then the above discussions, we are discussing about Tamil Nadu. It's an important state and the term on conditions and size resources, and it is the main sources for our country's economical development. So this is the ending part of this lesson. Human geography. You can go through, read the lesson. If you are having any clarification doubts, you can clarify, and you read, mark the important points also. Thank you, ma.